Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you all about the Search Refinements bar. If you perform a search in the catalog, you will receive your results list. Sometimes this list is short enough to scan through, but sometimes it is overwhelmingly large. For example, if I search for mystery in all fields, the catalog returns 1,500 matches, far too many to scan through. If the Refine search bar doesn't open automatically, you can open it by clicking the small blue rectangle to the left of the results screen. Give it a second to load, and then from here you can make selections to narrow down your results. You can add another keyword to your search. For example, if I wanted to add murder to my search for mystery. This reduced my results to 691. Perhaps my favorite refinement is that you can search for availability. This means that the item is not currently checked out to another patron and it should be on the shelf ready for checkout, either at the main library or on the bookmobile. Medium would help me narrow down what format of material I am interested in. For example, if I am looking for audio CDs or if I need large print. Downloadable has to do with whether or not an item is available to be downloaded digitally. Material type is sort of a reflection of the different areas of our library in person. You can select from here whether you are looking for a fiction book, something for kids, which we call juvenile, or a DVD. Language can also be a useful search refinement. I frequently use the copyright year to narrow down my search to only items that are new, so something that has come out within the past couple of years. Further down, there are options to click on authors, subjects, series, and more based on the results from your search. If you add a search refinement, such as the year, and then later decide you would like to remove it, simply click on the black X to remove that limit from your search results. Even with all these options, searching can be tricky, so please reach out to a library staff member if you cannot find what you are looking for, and we would be happy to help. As always, feel free to call or email with any questions, and stay tuned for more catalog tip videos.